Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change icons in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to change these app icons, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for themes, tap on it, and then just tap on these icons. And here you will get different icon packs. You can see there are different icon packs. You must have to select one of them are all free, so I'm going to select, let's say, this one. Just tap on it, and from here you must have to download it first. Just tap on download option and just wait for its downloading. After downloading, just tap on apply, and here it's being applied, so you must have to wait for it. So you can see that our app's icon has been completely changed. That's how you can easily change icons or get new icons in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.